Check out what I found at Costco. It's a swarm of honeybees looking for a home. They're going to start discovering that box. And
they'll like it more than the box. And they like it outside, yeah.
They will love that box.
I can't believe it.
So are we still really a big shortage of bees still?
The colonies just don't live as long, and so to make up for it, beekeepers have to keep splitting the hives.
Okay.
It'd be like all the cows are dying, so the solution is to breed more cows to try to keep up.
This line of carts is out in the middle of that aisle. And so I just slowly.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Don't hit no rocks.
I keep my seeds so crazy.
See, what I would normally do, I would basically brush them off, then they really start flying around.
Yeah.
And so that they'll discover the box.
I see them dropping down.
You guys see them going in there.
Yeah, if they,
That's a good thing.
hopefully they just start making a stream of bees going down there.
Somewhere else.
Yeah, they're starting to move.
Yeah, that.
Is it a beehive?
Yeah.
There's gold in the middle. Yeah. Just a swarm of them. Yeah, this is cool.
Okay.
It's kind of surprising they would attach themselves to
Right.
a metal shopping cart.
Holy crap.
See, they're moving in there.
They're moving in? Whatever you did was kind of cool.
Like little army ants, huh?
Oh, they're pouring in there. I love seeing that.
They're just born in there now, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you were in town.
Yeah.
It's just Kermit.
Kingsburg.
So this hive will be safe then? It'll be good?
Oh, yeah. Oh, they
Are
are.
they going inside?
What?
They're going in there?
Yeah. They're loving it. They're doing a.
That's incredible.
They are. All these bees, they're sticking their bottoms up in the air and they're fanning their wings and they're giving off a pheromone to call in the rest of the bees.
Oh.
So they love that box. They're thrilled.
One guy went, hey, over here.
Is that what happened basically?
Yeah.
No,
So
no. They said, hey guys, there's a chick, there's one over here that's got cleavage. That's what happened.
Yeah.
Well, I wonder where the queen's at.
the queen's right in the middle somewhere.
That is just crazy. I've never seen so much.
The bees are on aisle 5.
I was wondering, how did you wind up having to
Well, they called me because the swarm landed on the bottom of that box. And so I brought a beehive and they're starting to move in, but I need to kind of slowly move it that way to kind of get the bees moving.
That is fascinating.
Yeah.
So are we thinking that there are quite a few bees in there?
No, they're all right here
Wow.
and all around. Yeah, the queen's in there. The queen is in that cluster somewhere, but she will move in also.
That is fascinating.
So they just attach to the bottom there. So the honeybees, they don't spin like the wasps.
Right. And these bees are so gentle.
Good.
Nobody's at risk.
Relax.
Yeah.
You gotta wait for them to all move?
Well, I need to move them out there where it's safer, but all these bees here, I don't want them to get lost. So it takes a while for them to move them.
Okay. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's great.
Just like you see on the History Channel.
Yeah.
Whatever learning. No, they're right here.
Oh, they're attacking. Oh,
Not
oh.
attacking.
That's a.
Oh, you have one. Okay, I was freaking out.
They were on aisle 110. You didn't get some?
Not today, next time. So I don't need to scream.
I had to steal your joke.
You can use that for a while.